Hello, everybody, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 4th of October. And first of all, national news. Gautam Adani thanked every hand, heart that worked on Navi Mumbai airport. Rain winds push Delhi AQI to satisfactory post Dussehra. India's violent crime cases fall 29% in a decade, riots down 40%. Air India to move 60 domestic flights to Delhi's upgraded T2 from October 26. No toxins in cough syrup linked to children's deaths, probe on center. Election commissioners to visit Patna to review poll preparedness. High Court rejected Anil Ambani's play against SBI's fraud tag for accounts. 51 lakh Indians at risk of chikungunya every year, a study said. And now, international news. After Trump's big praise, Pak said it backed different version of Gaza plan. TCS other tech firms to face investors over Trump's H-1B visa shock. Trump openly embraced Project 2025 accelerated federal cuts amid shutdown. Saraha Mullali became first female archbishop to lead Church of England. UK awaited new Archbishop of Canterbury with female bishops leading race. We love Indian cinema, Vladimir Putin on Russia's love for Bollywood. And now some sports news. Indian women's team to copy men's team in match against Pakistan, BCCI's message explained. Dhruv Jurel, Ravindra Jadeja taunts put India in firm command versus West Indies on day 2. Ravindra Jadeja matches MS Dhoni in Elite 6 scoring list topped by Rishabh Pant. And now news related to business. Maharashtra received 6,418 crore rupees advance tax devolution ahead of festive season. Gold trades flat with positive bias at 1,17,640 per 10 grams. Must prepare to engage with stable coins. FM Sitaraman hint at possible change in India's crypto stance. And Niti Aayog pitches for presumptive taxation scheme for foreign investors. And that's all in news. Thank you.